Did you know that certain chemicals can keep flowers fresh for longer, or that selfies are more dangerous than sharks? Fascinating facts like these are all around us. You just need to know where to find them. Luckily, we've gathered some of the most intriguing knowledge from science, medicine, history, and culture. Today we're diving into 25 mind-blowing facts that will make you question everything. 25. Banana flavoring's origin. You know that distinctive taste of banana-flavored candy? It doesn't quite taste like real bananas, but it's close enough to remind you of fruit, even if it's packed with sugar. That flavor comes from a chemical called isoamyl acetate, which is found in ripening fruit. Interestingly, when this chemical was first used in sweets, it was meant to mimic the taste of pears in Britain. 24. A surprising trick to keep flowers fresh. Want to keep flowers standing tall for longer? Scientists have found that certain compounds can help flowers maintain their shape and freshness for up to a week. This discovery revolutionized how we care for cut flowers, giving them a longer lifespan with just a tiny dose. 23. Coffins versus caskets. Know the difference. Planning a funeral isn't fun, but knowing the difference between a coffin and a casket is useful. Caskets have 4 sides and are usually rectangular, designed for a simpler look. Coffins, on the other hand, have 6 sides and are shaped to fit the body. They often have more padding and premium materials, making them a more luxurious option. 22. Only male peacocks have those beautiful feathers. Peacocks are known for their stunning, colorful feathers. But did you know that only the males are called peacocks? The females are called peahens and have a much more muted appearance. Those vibrant feathers are used by males to attract mates, nature's version of showing off. 21. Water helps reduce snoring. Struggling to sleep next to someone who snores? Try giving them a glass of water. Staying hydrated helps keep the mucus in the nose from becoming too thick, reducing friction and therefore snoring. It's a simple solution to a noisy problem. 20. The dark origin of the pinky promise. Pinky promises might seem innocent, but they have a serious origin in Japanese culture. The tradition of yubikiri means finger cutting, and it was believed that breaking a pinky promise would result in losing your finger. So, next time you make one, remember its serious roots. 19. KFC's lost in translation moment. When KFC opened in China in 1987, they translated their famous slogan, "It's finger-licking good," a bit too literally. It ended up meaning, "Eat your fingers off." Not exactly the appetizing message they were aiming for. 18. Warm drinks make people friendlier. If someone's giving you the cold shoulder, offer them a warm drink. Studies by Yale researchers found that people holding warm beverages were more likely to be generous and friendly compared to those holding cold ones. Sometimes, a little warmth goes a long way. 17. Selfies are more dangerous than sharks. Social media obsession can be fatal. Between 2008 and 2021, 379 people died while taking selfies, which is over 4 times the number of shark attack fatalities during the same period. People have fallen off cliffs, crashed vehicles, and more, all for the perfect post. 16. Victoria's Secret was made for men. When Roy Raymond founded Victoria's Secret in 1977, his idea was to create a store where men could comfortably shop for women's lingerie. The Victorian-inspired decor was meant to make men feel more at ease. Today, it's one of the world's largest lingerie brands, but it all started as a store for men. 15. Psychopaths see the world differently. Psychopaths make up about 1% of the population and are often highly successful in society. Why? They tend to focus on positive outcomes and don't dwell on negative emotions, helping them handle stress and pressure more effectively. 14. The modern salute's medieval roots. The modern military salute comes from French knights in the Middle Ages. To show they meant no harm, knights would lift their visors to reveal their faces, signaling peace. This gesture evolved over time into the salute we see today. 13. 27,000 trees are cut daily for toilet paper. Every day, 27,000 trees are cut down to produce toilet paper. With billions of rolls used each year, Especially in the US, it might be time to consider more sustainable options. 12. Surviving extreme cold. In 1999, Anna Bagenholm survived a body temperature of 56 degrees Fahrenheit 13 degrees Celsius, the lowest ever recorded. She fell through ice while skiing and was trapped for almost 2 hours. Against all odds, her heart restarted after she was rescued, and she made a full recovery. 11. Hands-free isn't risk-free. Using hands-free devices while driving might seem safe, but they can be as dangerous as drunk driving. Research shows that they distract the mind, not just the eyes, increasing accident risk by 4 times. 10. 6 cups of mucus every day. Your body produces about 6 cups of mucus daily. It's essential for protecting your lungs and keeping your respiratory system clean. Not as gross when you realize how important it is. 9. Tree ambulances in Delhi. Delhi, India, has special tree ambulances equipped with medicines to treat sick or injured trees. Trained professionals diagnose and care for the trees, truly giving new meaning to the term. Tree surgeon. 8. Willow bark was the original aspirin. Long before modern medicine, people used willow bark as a pain reliever. It contains salicin, the active ingredient in aspirin, and has been used for over 3,000 years. 7. The deadly Battle of Stalingrad. The Battle of Stalingrad during World War II claimed almost 1.9 million lives, including more civilians than the nuclear bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki combined. 6. $1 million sense of taste. Haley Curtis, a taste tester for Cadbury, has her taste buds insured for £1 million because her job relies on her exceptional sense of taste. 5. Poisonous water dropwort. The hemlock water dropwort is the most poisonous plant in the UK, causing fatal accidents when mistaken for edible herbs. 4. Paracetamol affects empathy. Taking paracetamol can reduce empathy, making people less sensitive to others' pain. 3. Smell can predict mental illness. A poor sense of smell can indicate an increased risk of developing schizophrenia or other mental health issues. 2. 9/11 survivors risked lives for work. During the 9/11 attacks, over 90% of survivors delayed evacuating to save work files, showing just how deeply work commitments are ingrained in our lives. 1. Bubble wrap was originally invented as wallpaper. Bubble wrap wasn't always meant to protect your packages. In 1957, engineers Alfred Fielding and Mark Chauvin tried to create textured wallpaper by sealing 2 shower curtains together, trapping air bubbles inside. Unsurprisingly, the idea didn't take off as home decor. But they soon realized its potential as a protective packaging material, and that's how bubble wrap found its true purpose. Now, it's not just great for protecting fragile items, it's also oddly satisfying to pop. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.